To make a stylus, we need some foil paper, one pencil, scissors, tape. Not that big, but you need a tape. So yeah, first you need to cut this piece in a shape of T. So like you can see, we have made a T. T for tiger. And now we have got this pencil, as you can see, right? And then you have to fold it around like this. And then you have to fold this also. Then you have to cut extra region. I would prefer soft foil for using this because it will make less scratches on your phone. And then you take a tape and just wrap it around here. So as you can see, I have made my stylus and now I am going to use it. Yes. So as you can see, and also do this if you want more such videos. This being said, this is Ash signing off and meet you in the next one.